Settle down, settle down.
Let me activate that alter ego. I don't want to do this, but okay, shit.
Shit, yeah.
Okay, settle down, settle down. It's not like it matters anyway.
Oh, you on with the next one?
Y'all made corrections like God made mistakes. I do not doubt myself, I can relate. Talks about a better future like my niggas late. And even if it's the case, you always be first place, my nigga. At the end of the day, we all part of the rhythm, part of the reason I say. Don't part of me where you see me singing the praise. And it's partly me, partly pissing on Peter's grave. Wait.
Oh shit. I know they were waiting on you for something. You know.
Yeah, but
This type of sound is very weird.
yeah, what is
What you thinking, but I don't think I'm gonna get it right.
Whoever listens to this, I don't
You ready to go, man?
I got a one size fits all attitude. I address the biggest elephants in the room. What you talking about coming soon? It's getting uncomfortable. A lot of them getting juice. Let's get the fuck up out here, my nigga. Quickly get a broom. Zoom. Talks about a generation getting doomed. Also be the generation chosen too. But they'll never ever show the shit up on the news. Hey, homie, let's do this. I, the ancient DNA, help me do this. I eradicate cause the homie ruthless. I for chance to leave it loose or use it. I'm the master student. Many move to cheese that are fucking ruthless. The fear of falling off is very real and lucid. Clinging on to hope is next to fucking useless. So let's keep it moving.
What the fuck, man? What even gets this shit? What are you even doing it for?
I thought you would like it though, weird as fuck. It's not even a joke.
It's weird shit. We have to say it a lot of times. Rap about fucking dinosaurs and unicorns and shit, nigga.
Father say he's waiting patiently, he know my time is coming for me to be heard, spitting out some verbs. Got guys just to send me out, don't need a herb. When I'm doing this holy trinity, I'm the third. You gotta do it, my nigga, like nobody ever did it. And even now I'm the child, says shooting out the vision. I might just start co-religion to maybe enhance the vision. I don't intend to collapse or collide the new world order. And if I do, it's not my intention, it's part of ascension. And if I don't, probably leave everything, go do my chores. And if I do, follow my calling, I'm 144. And if I don't, continue digging my nose out of boredom. Contemplating what I would have done for them. And if they recorded, you catch my good side, motherfucker, I'm gorgeous. And this whole image was living me for them. But here we just go again.
Wow. You know, a whole fucking, it's almost 3 minutes now. We just hearing